Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at geometry, the angles of polygons. Now, this is really a review of some of the things we may have very well done in class, but hey, what does it hurt to go over it just a little bit? So we have a polygon. A polygon is a closed figure, means you can't get from the inside to the outside to the outside to the inside without crossing a side. All the sides have to be straight. Here you go. And no intersecting sides, which means you can't have something like this. That doesn't work. That is not a polygon. Okay, so a convex polygon has no interior angle over 180 degrees. So that means something like this, too big, no good. Okay, not good. No diagonals leave the shape. And so then we can start talking about the different factors of the angles of polygons. Now, in this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. Okay, so in this case, n equals 7. Now, if I have 7 sides, what is the sum of the interior angles? Well, it's n minus 2 times 180. So I simply say 7 minus 2 times 180. So that's 5 times 180. Now, if I do 5 times 180, that's going to be something here. I'm going to grab my calculator, see what I come up with. So I have 5 times 180. There we go. And I come up with 900 degrees. 900 degrees. Now, the sum of the exterior angles, if we had one exterior angle at each piece, here, 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 okay, you would have 360 degrees. So sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. Now, if this were a regular figure, now I haven't drawn it terribly regular, but it doesn't matter. As soon as I mark it as congruent, it is indeed regular. So if I want each interior angle, I would simply take n minus 2 times 180 over the number of sides, which is also the number of angles, n. So in this case, I have 900 over 7, because I already knew 900 from up there. So 900 over 7, there you go. You get 128.57 degrees for each angle. Now, if I want each exterior angle, that's going to be 360 divided by n, which in our case is 360 divided by 9. 360 divided by 9, I'm sorry, not 9, I'm sorry, 7 sides. 360 divided by 7 would be 51.4. There we go, 51.4. So that's interior, that is exterior. Okay, so we have a couple different pieces there. Now let's take a look at a couple examples. In this case, I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. In a 5-sided figure, that's going to be 5 minus 2 times 180. So that's 3 times 180. That's going to be 540. So I would say that x plus 2x plus 3x plus 3x plus 3 plus 3x minus 1 equals 540. And so put them all together. I have 6, I have 9, I have 10, I have 12x. 12x plus 2 equals 540. And you finish solving and you get x by itself. So 540, 538, 538 divided by 12 is 44.83 would be x in this case. In this case, it's out of 360 because these are exterior. So 3x plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 2 plus 4x equals 360. And I come up with 6, I come up with 10, I come up with 12. Minus 1 equals 360. So 12x minus 1 equals 360. So 12x equals 361, and x equals 361 divided by 12. Answer is 30.08. And there you go. Now, from there, you have a regular figure. If this is an octagon, you can do the same thing we did on the previous one. So take a look and see if that gives you a good hand.